So, welcome to this demo on the topic STM32MP2 and the associated OpenST Linux DSP. This workshop will consist in a journey through our hardware and software ecosystem for the STM32 MPU products. We will give a special focus on OpenST Linux software DSP and the wiki documentation that explain how to use the product and how to work with its ecosystem. In the second part of the presentation, we will switch to workshop demo mode. It's not require any action from your side, so you can relax and follow our operation. The recording of the presentation, as you know, will be available as a standalone video on our channel. And in this way, you will be able to look back at the various parts of the presentation at any time if you want to record some details, or if you want to reproduce our activities on your side later. So, without any further ado, let's start exploring the ecosystem, our hardware ecosystem. Thanks to Christopher, you have been already introduced to our last board, our last creator, the STM32 MP2x57F discovery board. The schematics, the BOM, all the Gerber files, and all the digital files that you need for replicate the design on in your laboratory are available on the product page under the section CAD resources. The same is for the evaluation board, because you can find in the product page of the evaluation board all the files that you need for replicating the design. And moreover, in the product page of MP2, you can find other reference design under the section CAD resources with the schematics, BOM, and Gerber files. So you will be able to create your custom board with all the starting from our reference design. Coming back to our discovery board, it offers clearly the MP2x57F here in the center, 4 GB of LPDDR4 RAM, 8 GB of eMMC, the usual ST-Link here, so you can connect using the USB connector and debug the board using the ST-Link. A very useful MIPI DSI to HDMI bridge that allow you to connect a HDMI display monitor to the board, a MIPI CSI connector, LVDS connector, 1 gigabit Ethernet interface with TSN support, 1 combo Wi-Fi module, so you can use wireless connection on this board, and the standard 40 pins Raspberry Pi connector here. Using this connector, you can expand the capability of the board with our expansion board. Expansion board are a set of modules that allow you to test extra features of the board, to add features to the board, just plugging the module with on the Raspberry Pi expansion connector. Consider that every module is associated with an X Linux package that we will see later, that contains the driver and the application to test this module.